Hello family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be making spinach stew. So for my ingredients for this recipe, I'm going to be needing chicken drumsticks and of course tomatoes, onion, bell peppers, spring onion, a little bit of parsley, and of course the star of the dish. I'm going to be using this baby spinach, and of course garlic, ginger, cayenne pepper, and some carrot. So if you want to see how I achieve this recipe, please watch to the end. And as you watch, please do not forget to subscribe. Also leave a comment down below if you're going to be trying out this recipe, and don't forget to thumbs up. All right, let's get started into the video. So first thing first, I'm going to chop off all these vegetables and blend them together. So I'm going to be chopping everything. So I am done chopping the tomatoes and onion vegetables. So now I'm just going to put in a blender and blend. I don't want the blend to be too smooth. I just want a rough consistency. Yeah. So this is the consistency I wanted. So now I'm going to start cooking. So in a pot, I just put my blended tomatoes, and I'm just going to cook this until it is reduced. Yeah. So this is the consistency I am looking at. So this is what I am looking at. So I'm just going to add my seasoning cube. I'm going to add one of these seasoning cube. Just one. Don't want it too salty. And some salt. Just 1 tablespoon of salt is fine. Now we fry. So over here I just have my chicken. I'm pan frying the chicken. So over here I'm trying to pan fry my chicken. Yeah. So because the chicken is so soft, so I cannot introduce it to the stew just yet. Yep. So I'm going to fry this. So this is it. Yeah. Make sure you season everything properly before doing this step. If not, your stew is going to be so salty. Yeah. So now I'm going to introduce my spinach. I'm going to introduce my spinach, the star of the dish. I'm not going to use all. This was small. So this is how it looks. See that? I'm just going to slowly cook this for 2 minutes because I want the spinach green. And I'll introduce my chicken later. Yeah, this is it. You can have it with rice, yams, swallow, anything you want. Yeah, but I prefer with rice, especially plantains or yams. But I don't have just rice here. Yeah, so our food is ready. I don't eat onion when it's visible. So for onion lovers, oh, I forgot carrot, guys. Let's just leave it this way. So my stew is ready. I just introduced my pan fried chicken to it. Yeah, I don't want to put much because I always like to separate my chicken from the stew. Yeah, guys, food is ready. Yeah, guys, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? If you're going to be trying out this recipe, do not forget to leave a comment down below and let me know. I can't wait to dig in. Thank you so much for watching. Until my next one. Bye bye.